I say. Yeah, nice.
Tony, I've been trying to get to you for 2 days now. Is everything okay? I was worried.
Everything good, nicey. Just a deal with some things.
Is everything okay? You sound a bit annoyed.
Nicey, what happened between you and Luna before you left here?
Oh, I see. What did she tell you?
I'm asking.
Nothing happened.
Listen to me, nicey. Luna is my woman. And I wouldn't feel comfortable knowing that you disrespect her in any way, shape or form.
It seems like you have already been convinced that I was disrespectful. So what's the sense in asking?
I want to hear your side of the story.
Why? It seems like your woman has already brainwashed you into thinking that I am that antagonist.
Okay. Let me step back a little. Because maybe my approach was wrong. I'm genuinely asking, what happened?
From my recollection, she was leaving and I just simply said bye Luna, and she came back and said what sweet me, I go sour me, and she even used explicit.
Wait, what? Luna cursed at you?
Mr. Xpressionz, I don't know what it is about me why a woman is so threatened. But I can understand if you believe I'll take your woman's side.
It's just that I've never heard her curse before.
Maybe there's a lot more to her that you don't know.
What do you mean by that?
You know that all I've done since I've started working with you was to do my job to the best way I know how to do it and be respectful to you as a boss. And for some reason, your woman is so insecure that she thinks she needs to be so territorial.
The truth is, it's not your fault. I may have played into this too much, which would have caused her to be... You know what, forget that.
I see. She got your hook, line, and sinker.
Nicey, what you just said?
I had to endure disrespect and I was physically assaulted by Trevor's baby mother. Just because I was doing my job and being nice. Well, guess what? No more nice.
Look, this only concerns me, Luna, and you. So I don't see how Trevor Sullivan and...
It's the same thing. I am tired of being the demon in the story and I am tired of people listening to one side of the story.
Okay, nicely, calm down.
Your woman came at me, and if you don't believe me, I think it's best I don't work with you anymore.
It's obvious that you're upset. Let's just forget about it. And I must apologize for coming at you without hearing your side of the story. Let's just forget about it and move on to business.
I'm sorry for being upset. It's just that I feel like I am being taken disadvantage of.
That's not what it is. Now, let's move forward. I have 21 caskets coming into the funeral home from Mississauga. I want you to be there to collect them.
That's 8 hours drive.
I'll have someone pick you up.
Okay.
Check them off and do the paperwork to ship them off to Jamaica.
Are they coming to you?
No, you put the name of the other funeral.
Okay, and the sender must be?
You. They'll need the name of the sender. It can't be the company.
Got it. When do I leave?
In 2 days. And nicely, no one opens any of the caskets.
Understood.
Great. I know I can count on you.
Yes, you can.
We'll be in touch.
Okay. Oh, Mr. Xpressionz, I don't want to sound like I'm digging into your personal life, but Luna seems to have a problem with me. Maybe because she's guilty of something. Have you ever thought of that?
Guilty? Guilty of what?
I don't know. But I've seen her on her phone at the home a couple of times and seems rather secretive. Maybe that's why she's so sensitive with me being nice to you. We'll be in touch. That should put that bitch under suspicion for a while.
So Carlton, how are really going?
Brother, you know, through the hurricane, look like we have a little leak. So I have to move everything and put them on my yard. Laptop and computer, everything on my yard. Come in and take a check. Oh, Camille.
She alright, you know, she have a doctor appointment, you know, she got to do some checkup to make sure say everything good.
Okay.
But other than that, she good.
Okay. So, the place?
Just some minor things. No major structural damage. Plus, we did prepare for burial.
So, what about the road?
Well, a few trees did drop down, you know, and the community come together and clear it.
I'm telling you, that's the one thing I love about down there, so. Everybody work as one.
Especially in them time, yeah. And one thing though, you can't link nobody in a government for deal with the road.
Brother, 3 letters I gone already.
And nothing.
I have to just play the waiting game.
Look what the place I do for the community. Them not see the importance.
Trust me, them know the importance. It's just that them not find a way to benefit from it or take credit for it yet.
But as a man who did in politics, it shouldn't so hard.
At that time they hard, trust me. Especially the fact that I wasn't them little puppet.